Hello, guys. A very good morning to all of you. And I am going to do the energy check in for the day. As I had said, from now on, we'll also do a detailed version on YouTube. You'll find the same thing on Instagram as well. A written note on Instagram, majorly. So let's see what do the energies have to say for today, 14th of January. 14th of January, universe. What do the energies have to say today? What's happening? Chariot. Page of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Things seem to be moving. Okay, so today what I'm picking up is that there is some action coming in. Okay, there is either a new opportunity or something coming from a particular person which will help you balance your load, is what I'm seeing. See, what I'm picking up on one side is that either you're already juggling, okay? Or I think once this comes, then you'll become a little more confused. But I pretty much see that an offer is coming your way. A very stable sense of what this person or this situation wants to offer to you. It requires little multitasking from your end, okay? But then, yes, I mean, it's for the good. I'm seeing that it will only lighten your load, it will only make you better. The Chariot and the Page of Pentacles here is so basically, see, things are moving right now, and maybe the movement is something that could be a little overwhelming for you also at times because you're managing a lot. Now, how you might look at this situation is that okay, this is an extra load, but what the universe is orchestrating, this is not an extra load. This is actually going to make your life easier. Okay, it's a movement. It's a divine movement, even though small, but it's a movement towards something better. Okay, let's clarify these cards. 1 minute. I'll use the light seers. Let's see the Chariot. This could also be a small communication which is about a commitment. Page of Pentacles for me is a very stable sense of small thing but stable. Let me see. Chariot here. Four of Pentacles. Six of Swords and the King of Cups. Okay. So finally, I think this could also be your person's energy if this is about a person. A person who was holding back is now suddenly going away from that feeling of not telling how they feel. They're going away from that energy of not expressing what they feel. That is the movement. And the way it might come across is a very practical offer. Let me see the Page of Pentacles here. The Moon, Seven of Pentacles, Page of Cups. Yes. So this person also has their set of fears, could be, but they are doing something about it. They are actually working on it and they're seeing things. See, it's a communication. I did have that vibe, and then I have the Knight of Cups at the bottom of the deck. So pretty much I feel that this person could be wanting to invest some in this situation. If this is a person's energy, then a person, or this is just some one, if you've been expecting some kind of a communication, it's a positive sign for you today that you will get that communication from that person who is willing to invest in this, even though they have fears, even though, see, they've thought very deeply about it. Okay, but the desire to invest is there. Alrighty, let's see the Two of Pentacles here. Nine of Pentacles, Four of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. So your expectations are bigger. Okay, your expectation is that you want your person to be at a certain level. This offer that is coming is the Page of Pentacles, and your expectations are of a King of Pentacles. So this person will get there, but it is going to be quite time consuming. And see, honestly, I think you've evolved in your journey. Okay, and the thing is that maybe you feel that it's a little too small for me. Okay, uh, at this point, I'm seeing that, okay, very honestly, you shouldn't let this go, but you shouldn't let it bother you so much also. If they reach out or if you get what you're seeking, keep it with you, but don't stop your growth journey. Okay, don't stop the work that you're putting in yourself, because there's a lot of evolvement that needs to happen from your side as well. Okay, so overall, the energies seem to be nice to me today. What you want is coming, but in small installments, is what I'm picking up. Um, but then again, it's up to you if you really want to see. I mean, my advice, go for it. Like, get that. Obviously, it's only, small little drops of water has a potential of making a whole pond or a lake. So if you're getting something, don't refuse it. Don't be so confused also. Just let it be, because every person takes their own time to evolve. And so I feel that this situation is also. So let this be and keep your journey going on. Okay? Keep your growth on. All right, guys? I hope this helps. Take care. Talk to you soon again tomorrow. Bye bye.